Hi, this is Ann Bessenbacher, the technology steward at STEMEdHub, and I'm here to show you today how you can share files through the files repository for the Somalia Evaluation Workshop group. So first thing you need to do is log into STEMEdHub. You can go to either a link that you have or to STEMEdHub.org. Click on the login button here in the upper right hand corner. Then log in. If you don't see your name here, you can say sign in with a different account here, and it'll come up with a list whether you want to sign in with Facebook, a Purdue Career account, or with your STEMEdHub account. Then you can sign in. And once you sign in, it'll take you to your dashboard. If anytime you get lost on STEMEdHub, if you hover over here in the upper right hand corner, either on this where it says logged in, or on some screens that might have your name, it should have a drop down that has a dashboard link, and it'll always take you here to your dashboard. From your dashboard, you have a list of items on the left hand side. You can always go to your groups tab here, and it'll always take you to a list of groups you're involved in. It'll help you navigate around if you get lost. You can always come back to the dashboard and go back to your group. So today we're going to go to our laser pulse evaluation of Somalia's accelerated quality ... group, the one that you should all be used to seeing and going to. Once you're here on the group, you'll see a link called Files Repository. You can click on that tab, and here is our file repository page. As you see right now, we have the evaluation workshop folder right here. You can use, while we're in the evaluation workshop, most of our files will go into that folder, so we'll click on that. You can also create later other folders for data and things that you'll be sharing. So inside that folder, you'll see there's two more folders, one for Module 1 background materials, one for Module 2. If you decide, hey, I have materials I need to upload for Module 3, you can click right here on the little plus folder sign. It'll come up with a window to allow you to create a new folder. Any member of the group can do this. You can just type in Module 3. All the others didn't have a space. It doesn't matter if you decide that you didn't name it quite right. Once you get it in, you can always rename it. Scroll back down. If you click on a little folder, if you decide you didn't name it quite right, you can come up here where it says rename selected item and say, oh, I wanted to put a space in there. So you can come up here and add a space. And it will refresh that for us. And there you go. So if we want to add a file to Module 3, we click on the Module 3 link. It'll take us to that folder. And then to upload a file, you can upload any file type you want. It could be a video, it could be a sound clip, it could be a Word document, a PowerPoint. Click on the upload button here. Then you can either drag a file from a file listing, or what I like to do is just click on this box right here. It'll come up with a browser. You can browse to find the file that you want to upload. I'm going to upload a pic of Hugh Brown that I have. It'll tell you right here the size of the file, so you can see, okay, that looks good. You can say upload now. And there it is, it's uploaded. Then if you decide, hey, wait, that was the wrong file, I didn't mean to upload that one, you can click right here to identify that file. Then you can click the trash can. It'll come up, say, do you really want to delete this? Just to give you a chance to change your mind. Yes, I want to delete that. That was the wrong one. So I can say delete. It'll delete the file for you. Now, when you want to go back to the main group from this page, you can, as I told you before, come up here, go to your dashboard to go back, or you can use the breadcrumbs at the top here and go to where it says Laser Pulse Evaluation of Somalia's Accelerated Learning. That'll take you right back to the group. One other place you can upload files we created right here inside the evaluation workshop. We created under Module 1, Session 2, a little window that we embedded that what I just showed you. So if you want to come right here, right now, you can come here to Module 1, Session 2, and you'll see that same window right embedded in this page, so you don't have to go to that other tab. But in the long run, after the workshop's all over and we're using it as a group, you can come right up here to the files repository. It'll be the same place either way you go. And that's it.